I'm rich, you wanna know why? I addict, I love to get high. Look, I'm way in the sky. I'm flicking and fly.
Good morning, y'all. It's 10 o'clock actually. Happy Friday. I swear, y'all, the devil is working today, cause ain't no way, baby. How my morning just went, or how it's going right now, y'all. First of all, God always got me. He got me. He definitely got me. He got me and my baby. He got me and my baby. But like the simple fact that why, I ain't even gonna say why. Like I just need an understanding on why my morning going so left today. It don't make no sense. But I'm on my way to Target so I can grab my baby some diapers because she ran out this morning. So yeah. So she using her last diaper today. She used her last diaper, y'all. Literally, so this is crazy, man. Crazy work, man. Crazy work. Like but yeah, I just see y'all when we get at Target. Alright, we at Target, y'all. And about to head upstairs. I had to put a mask on her because she like over here coughing. I'm gonna show y'all. Rose. Oh, my little sick baby. Look at my little sick baby. Yeah, but I don't know, like, I don't know how she be getting sick, but I think I know how she be getting sick because when she be coming from daycare, she be cold, like, her whole body be cold, like, dang. And then they coming from outside, so it's like, ain't no telling on, like, if she getting sick from the daycare by being extra cold and going through the heat and cold air. But like, I don't know. Or maybe it's the weather changing, because it is getting pretty cold out and it's about to be fall, so it's flu season, COVID season. Like, both of my clients, well, one of my clients had COVID. The other one, she was just sick. But I called off because, yeah. So yeah, that's that or whatever. Hi. So we in the elevator. But yeah, this is crazy. Like, I be so mad when she be sick, cause like how? It's on my nerves. But yeah, I'll probably just see y'all when I'm about to check out or whatever. All right, y'all. So we got the diapers, we secured. Look at my baby. But anyways, I love her. Like, my baby, she won't let nothing stop her, even if she's sick and like just anything. She always gonna keep a smile on her face. That's my inspo. She inspires me. I love her life, literally. But yeah, man. Since I'm off, I should go get some Dunkin', but like, I mean, it's Friday, y'all. Like, yeah, like, I don't know. Like, it's Friday. I ain't got no job. what to do. No, I'm just playing, but y'all, it's been a rough morning. Literally, it's literally been a rough morning. Like, I can't express this enough, y'all. So we probably just gonna be chilling in the house all day because my baby is sick. Oh, I probably should have. Let me go to Walgreens to see do they got some cough medicine for her, because that's what the daycare lady told me to grab. Like, y'all, my baby, like, it hurt my feelings so bad, like, when my baby be sick, like, cause she, like, you know, babies be, like, so miserable when they sick, when they nose be stuffy. Like, last night, she probably didn't get no good sleep. I know I didn't, because she kept waking up. So it's like, y'all. Yeah. Just about to go to Walgreens.
Nah. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hate you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna?
Rose. Like, why do she be all the way up on TV like that? But we watching Shark Tales. It seems like she feeling a little better, y'all. Cause she all up over the floor, get to jumping around and stuff. Look at her, all up in stuff. Get out of there! But yeah, I'm not doing nothing, just chilling, eating these. Bro. It's gonna be alright. Hey, 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 get it, Rose, get it, Rose. Get it. Oh. But anyways, I'm not doing nothing but watching movies. Like I said, it seemed like she kind of feeling better because she's very active right now. But yeah, because earlier, baby, I knew that daycare was gonna call me, be like, "Oh yeah, you gotta come get her right now." But yeah, she ate. I gave her vitamins. She got some apple juice, and I gave her some milk in the other bottle. So yeah. Hey y'all, it's like hours later from earlier. I made some breakfast, y'all seen. But it is Saturday. This is what I got on. Y'all wanna do a little outfit of the day. Okay, so this is my fit. I got my Ugg slippers, outfit from top from Old Navy, bottoms from what? H&M, jacket from Target. Yeah. And I got my contacts in, and I got jewelry. This is my jewelry. My watch and my Pandora bracelet. And then I just got some earrings. And yeah, my sunglasses. Period. So, I look like a mom. And I got my purse. It's auto. I got this for my birthday, maybe like, I think on my 21st birthday. Or, yeah, my 21st birthday, I got this. So, yeah. And then here's her. She got a 2-piece with her New Balances. Don't mind her how she looks. She's sick right now, so yeah. But, yeah, we about to head out. We about to go to Sam's Club first, because I told y'all about them, hold on. I told y'all about them, let me fix my hair, because my hair about to get on my nerves for real. But I told y'all about them Poppies that was $20. I'm definitely gonna go and grab them or whatever. So yeah, it's about to be a lit vlog this weekend. Well, Saturday, and then Sunday is gonna be its own vlog. Hold on, y'all. I meant Sunday gonna be its own vlog. I don't know if I said Sunday or Saturday, but Sunday is gonna be its own vlog. So yeah. I didn't really do too much to my hair because like my hair really be getting on my nerves for real. But yeah. That's that. What, baby? We about to leave. We about to leave. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we probably get in the car or Sam's Club. So we here. So we here. Okay, but we in Sam's Club now. I told y'all I'm already here for the Poppies. So yeah, we about to look for them. I think I already, if I remember where they at, they'll be here. This is, oh, this is an energy drink. They giving samples of an energy drink. Oh, here go the Poppies right here, y'all. I'm finna show y'all. They $20, y'all. Period. Poppies. I'm about to give me a case right now. Okay, y'all. Mission completed. Mission completed. And I'm so ashy. Let me put some lotion on. But I got my Poppies and I found a little 2-piece sweatsuit for Rose for Gap. $20, you can't beat that. A whole one of them, cause well, she got one, but like I think them 2 different colors. Well, it's different, but it's the same color, I think. But yeah. You okay? I should have got one. I should have got the blue one for her blue. For her blue shoes. She got some blue 11s, blue and white ones. Well, we all got a pair of those. But yeah. Mission complete. I got my Poppies, and now we're gonna go to Walgreens so I can find her some medicine. Some cough medicine. Yeah, but anywho, I can't believe like I got a Sam's Club, you know, membership. Like what? Cause like, let's be for real. Let's be for real. Like, y'all don't know how happy I am. Regular gas is $2.78. The price is going down. This one $2.79. Regular gas. That's over here for me. Premium 364. Yeah. But I'll see y'all when we get to Target or whatever. Y'all, just got a new phone case. Like it is cute. Like, I like simple cases like these. Super cute. I just had a tan one on here. Y'all seen earlier. Yeah. Pretty cute. The fact that I wasn't even recording just pissed me off. But I had got me a new case. And they was back where I got this case from, like in the malls. Usually they whacking like $45, $35 for a little case, y'all. Literally. So I went over there. I'm like, oh, this cute. He was like, we got sales on the cases. I'm like, oh, for how much? He was like, he didn't say nothing. He said something else. No, he was like, I was like, how much? He was like, what you looking for? What type of case you looking for? So I get to point him out or whatever. And he was like, I can give you this one for 20. It was a Nike. It was a Nike phone case. I was like, I think he said 2 for 20, but I don't know. But then the other dude came over, the one that's be selling my boyfriend phone cases. He came over. He was like, what, you looking for a phone protector? I mean, a screen protector? I was like, no, I just look for a random, like, plain Jane case. He was like, oh, okay. He was like, which one you like? I was like, I like that one. He was like, all right, give it to her for 15. I was like, 15? Man, I would have been like, give me it for 10. If you want to be generous. No, I just playing, but yeah. I got a case that's for $15, and he was trying to charge me $20 for it. I mean, it's still pricey, but like, yeah. And I still don't know what I want to cook. I don't know if I want to, cause I should cook next weekend, but I really want some tacos for real. And I don't want to keep going in and out the car because it is kind of chilly outside. My baby's sick, so yeah. I'll probably just talk to y'all when I make my mind up of what I want to eat and make it cooking, yeah. Okay, hey y'all. Let me put this in the refrigerator. Alright, so I'm back home, as y'all see. I just warmed up some breakfast food from earlier. I gotta put this up. I think I showed y'all. Yeah, I didn't show y'all this, but this was $20, literally. Get her a little Gap. She got like 3 of these now. Period. Don't pay my baby, cause she be fresh. And then I got my poppies. I better go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. And then for Target, I got some more sour cream because I'm making chimichangas tonight. So I gotta wash these little dishes and take the meat out. I got some more sour cream, mozzarella cheese, because I got another one, but I don't know if that's enough. And then we got some tortillas. So yeah, I'm about to put me some poppies. I'm about to put me some poppies in the refrigerator and put these in the refrigerator. And yeah. So I probably just come back on a camera like when I'm like about to cook, like when I'm cooking. So that would probably be like around what, 4 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock. So yeah, I'll see y'all then. Okay, I'm done with the chalupa. I said chalupas. The chimichangas. This one got steak in it. This one is the ground beef one. And then I got my sour cream, got my Poppi, and I'm finna eat. Yeah. Close the refrigerator. She just learned how to do everything and just start messing with everything. But sorry, is this TV extra loud? I'm coming down with a little cold, so if I sound a little weird, I just spray my throat with that that numbing spray. Cause y'all, I never would have thought, but it ain't gonna stop me from vlogging. But I'm about to dang, I was getting my straw. But I'm about to close this video out because I'm not gonna be doing anything else, and I need to edit this vlog so I can get it out today. Cause tomorrow I'm making another vlog. So yeah, first of all, let me try the chimichangas. I'm about to try my chimichangas on camera. I already know how this one tastes because it's ground beef like. But the steak one, I'm gonna dip it sour cream. Hold on, y'all. I didn't get no steak. It's right there. I'm about to dip it again. It's busting. Yeah. 10 out of 10. But I'm about to close this video out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.